see one? No, that's good. That's about right. You're gonna fall, don't fall. Nothing's gonna happen besides her get cold. You wanna take your pants off in case you do fall? Okay. Look at that. Good job, baby.
Kayak, you do like mommy.
When I get tired, she's got it.
Let's just get tired.
I remember that. You're like, we have to go that way. Sometimes there's fish in this corner though, so we're making a few casts before we go by. He can't hear you, baby. I don't know, some guy. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This is a little red. Here, baby, come here. Sit down with Puppy right here. Sit down. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here and sit down. Come here and sit down.
I love you, Puppy. Are you my puppy?
Yep. It's a red. Make some cast over there. Reel, baby. Reel. Okay, so now here we go. Reel. And then bring them up. Yep, that's a fish. Feel them? Hold on. Hold on. Here, put your hand up here. Right there, baby. Right there.
Oh, I got him.
You can do. Okay, hold on. We're gonna net them too.
Oh, you can help me here?
Yeah. Here we go, baby. Hold on. There you go.
I got it.
Come over here and work this corner, baby.
Got it.
Or are you video? Told you there was something around this corner, and we're not even where I want to go.
I got it.
You got him. Okay, hold on. That's about. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, I got one. Mommy, I got one.
Hold on.
Whoa.
What is this one? Do you remember?
Uh-huh.
What is that?
It's a big one.
What kind? It's a redfish.
The red.
It's a red.
I got one. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's put his grips on.
Oh, I'm gonna play Sticky. He's so big. He is so big.
And he's.
Ah,
There we go.
ah, ah. Where are you?
Look at that.
Oh.
Oh.
Mama, take a picture. Take a picture.
It's all right. We'll get you one on the next spot. I'm telling you, there's more. Oh, he's drumming. Look, feel his belly. Put your hand under his belly right here, baby. We see where Puppy's hand is? Put your hand under it. Right here, this one. Under. Yeah, you can feel him, his drumming.
Only I.
I'm gonna guess 22.
I can't.
You want to stay on that side.
There you go.
The sun's behind you. There, it's actually like right above.
Ah.
Oh yeah? Oh, okay. I see it.
Ah.
Look at mommy.
What are you doing? Did you have cheese?
Good? Oh. It's okay. You only have the measuring board.
Oh.
You can measure them and then you can release them for us, please.
Oh, I got him.
Or actually, we can release
I
them.
got big one.
Oh, we can release them. Mommy's gonna measure them for you.
Oh,
Ow.
thank you, Mommy. Thank you, measure my.
Watch out. There's the damn thing. I gotta get that out of there.
Thank you, measure my fish. Thank you.
I got a treble hook down there.
Thank you so much. That's all right.
Right up. I said 22. He's barely, not even 20.
Yeah,
Still in his teens. Mommy wants to let him go. Here, let him go in between us, baby. I'm gonna separate, move your foot.
Oh, do you like my fish?
Yeah, Mama's
I
gonna.
love your fish.
You wanna say goodbye to your fish?
Bye.
Okay, bye. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss right here. There you go. Aw, that's very nice. It's okay. You done? You got it. You want some water to wash that off? Here.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Yep. Put it over here, Mama, so I can record it.
Bye.
Get his tail first before you let.
Bye.
It's not just open the thing. He'll go. He'll just open it.
Bye. Bye.
There you go. I told you he'll go.
No.
The point right now is to see where they're at. You're going to be drifting down this on the way back. Oh, remember he'll poop on you if you bring on board. Look at Mommy caught a ladyfish. You want to catch one? You got to sit over here with Papi. Okay. Oh, look, they're biting. Come here. Look, Mommy caught a fish. I got the camera rolling. Here, let's try to catch some ladyfish right here. At least have some fun. Here, we're gonna put this. Open your legs. We're gonna put this in the seat. And you